Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, thank you for joining. This is Our Life Simplified. My name is Laura. Todd is my husband. We are empty nesters and we do a lot of projects around here. One of the projects that we do, other than cooking, grilling, baking type of things, we also raise some chickens. So in today's video, we are going to be transitioning our baby chicks that I've been brooding up. If you haven't caught any of those videos, I'll go ahead and I will pop them on the screen or down below, so if you're interested you can watch them. But I've been brooding up some chicks, 20 of them, and today's the day we are integrating them into the chicken coop. I'm a little nervous about this because I'm not sure how my chickens are going to handle the new baby chicks. Todd went ahead and he built a contraption, so to speak. Todd went ahead and pieced together this fencing of sorts, basically using scrap material that we have had from other projects that we've been doing around the house and in the yard. He started with scrap wood that was 2x4s cut down to 2x2s, and then we had some of the green fencing that were approximately I think they were like a 3/4 inch holes in the green plastic fencing. He attached that. He went ahead and braced the corners with some plywood. Again, all of this was scrap material. Okay, so crossing fingers that this is going to work. We're going to go ahead and install it into the chicken run. I figured this was going to be the best way to try to integrate them in with the chickens, the big chickens. I have 7 hens and 1 rooster. Again, crossing fingers that Jules is going to be kind to the new babies, and I figured we would have this fencing up maybe about a week or so, and hopefully they'll get used to each other. So this weekend we're integrating them in the coop with the fencing. Next weekend I will probably let them out to free range and just see how they behave. Hopefully that's all it's going to take. Let's go ahead and get this fencing up. I started moving some stuff around already. There were waterers up over here, so I'm trying to move some of the stones, level out some of this area, because we're going to place the fencing up in this area up here. And I do plan on getting that swing fixed. It's kind of falling apart, so I'm going to be getting a new swing. But this is the before. So this is going to be our little area for the chicks inside here. Todd put a screw on that side. I think the best plan of attack is I'm going to cut this plastic and then just zip tie it to this already existing wire here. So that way, if I need to get in there, I can cut the zip ties off and just kind of get in here as needed. I'm hoping the chicks are in here no longer than a week. Hopefully, crossing fingers, everything should be fine. I don't know. What do you think? How many of you out there have integrated chickens, and is this something similar to what you did? But I got to go get the chicks and get them in here. Let's see what they think of their new home. To say getting 20 chicks in the crate to move to the coop was an understatement, but I wanted to show you. Do you see this opening here? Actually, it was this side opening. Pipsqueak was the last one to get collected, and she got herself in here where I couldn't get her. But I finally got her and I walked her out to the run. Let me show you where they're at now. I transported them all in this carrier. I had 19 of them in there because, like I said, Pipsqueak was stuck in between the walls of the brooder box. But let me show you how we got everything set up and how they're doing right now. So here is their new home. They already found the food. They've been eating on that, and they found the water, and now I think they're trying to escape, to be honest with you. I think once the chickens come out of their coop, they're going to realize that this might be the safest place for at least a couple days. Now they have all the space. This is probably, what would you say, 3 times the size of what they had in their bigger brooder. So they have plenty of space to get acclimated. I'm going to throw down some of some GrubTerra's little treats and see how they like that. I'm going to sprinkle down some of their food. I know their food is in there, but just something for them to snack on. Oh, and let me give them the treats. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 come get it. Come and get it. I think they're trying to escape in that corner. Okay, so I got them some food, some treats, some water. On this side, I just zip tied in 3 different areas here just to try to keep them inside. And this is also so if I have to get in there to do anything before I open it completely up, so that both flocks can merge, I can easily do that. I can just clip that and open this up and get inside. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't put the water over there where they're kicking around the pine shavings. I just thought putting the pine shavings down there in the corner would make them feel a little bit more at home, because that's what they were used to. As they grow, they're not going to care. They'll get that in the actual coop, and then the mulch in the run here. Let me know if you've had to transition any of your baby chicks in with existing flocks and how that went, and if it was similar to the way I did it, or if you did something a little bit different. This is my first time transitioning baby chicks into an already existing flock, so I'm crossing my fingers that my full-grown chickens will be nice and will play nice and will welcome them in to the family. But these are what I call my bougie chickens. I'd say at least half of them are the bougie ones, where they're going to be laying blue eggs. And I think I ordered a couple that are going to be laying dark brown eggs. And little Pipsqueak, she is doing just fine. She was the last one for me to get and bring out here. I walked her out here because she was the only one that did not go in the crate with the others with her little ninja hiding skills. If you caught that short where I'm pretty sure she's the one that got into that food container. I'll have to try to link that short so you can see that. I could not believe that she got up inside the feeder, but she seems to be doing fine. There she is. And there was one of the yellow white looking chickens, possibly like one of those two, that was the second to last one to go, and they were trying to protect her, I could tell, and they were pecking at me. It's the only one that really gave me a hard time of me trying to collect to pick up and put in the crate to move out here. If you'd like to continue following me on this journey, and then also watch us cook some amazing foods with these fabulous eggs that will be laid in the future, be sure you subscribe so you can continue following us on this journey. And if you like this video, be sure you give that a thumbs up too. Till next time, thank you for watching.